Many MSI gaming laptops, especially models released after 2020, like the Raider GE68, have internal batteries that aren't designed for easy user replacement. Attempting to replace them yourself can void the warranty and potentially damage the device. However, some newer models, such as select Creator Series laptops with MSI Easy Swap batteries, offer tool-free battery removal via a dedicated hatch. Always check your specific model. MSI gaming laptops use lithium polymer, or lithium-ion batteries, designed for high-performance gaming with 4 to 6 cells and capacities from 50 to 99 watt-hours. Compatibility is critical. Check the voltage, typically ranging from 11.4 to 15.6 volts, as mismatches can cause electrical problems. Connector types are model-specific, either 2-pin or 4-pin. Using the wrong connector can result in short circuits. Incompatible batteries pose serious risks, including short circuits, overheating, and fire hazards. Always verify the part number matches your original battery exactly. Safety is paramount when working on MSI gaming laptops. First, fully discharge the battery to below 10% capacity before starting any work. Next, disconnect the AC adapter and unplug it completely from the laptop to avoid any electrical risks. Use anti-static tools like a wrist strap to ground yourself and prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage sensitive MSI circuits. Work on a non-conductive surface, like a silicone repair mat, to further protect against electrostatic discharge and static buildup. Remember, electrostatic discharge can cause permanent damage to components, as shown here. Always prioritize safety to protect both yourself and your equipment. The first step in disassembling your MSI gaming laptop is to remove the bottom panel screws. Use the correct screwdriver types, such as Torx or Phillips, depending on your model. Keep track of all screws as they vary in size and type. Next, locate the battery cable connector on the motherboard. Gently disconnect it by pulling straight out, using plastic tools if needed to prevent electrical damage. Carefully pry the battery out using plastic opening tools. Start from one corner and work around the edges, applying gentle pressure to release it from the laptop chassis. Note that some modern MSI models have soldered battery connections. Desoldering requires specialized equipment and skills. Always consult your laptop's service manual for model-specific instructions. To replace the battery safely, you'll need the right tools. Start with Torx screwdrivers size T5 through T10. These are essential for removing the screws that hold the laptop case together without stripping them. Next, gather plastic prying tools. These flexible, non-conductive tools help you gently separate the case panels without scratching or damaging internal components. You'll also need opening tools like a spudger or even a guitar pick. These are great for getting under tight spots and prying connectors without applying too much force. If you need to remove heat sinks during the process, have thermal paste ready. Apply a small amount to ensure proper heat transfer when reassembling. Remember, using the correct tools is crucial to avoid damaging your MSI gaming laptop. Gather these essentials before starting the replacement process. The MSI GE66 Raider from 2022 serves as a practical example of successful battery replacement in MSI gaming laptops. This model uses a user-replaceable 4-cell 90-watt-hour battery that can be swapped using aftermarket parts, potentially extending the laptop's life by 2 to 3 years. However, a critical consideration is firmware compatibility. Users have reported thermal throttling when using incompatible replacement batteries, which can significantly reduce performance. Always verify that the replacement battery matches the original firmware specifications. For specific tips and real-world experiences, consult online communities like Reddit's r/MSI Laptops forum, where users share detailed guides and troubleshooting advice for this as in similar models. DIY battery replacement in MSI gaming laptops carries significant risks. Attempting it yourself can void your warranty and potentially damage internal components like the motherboard or CMOS battery, leading to data loss or boot failures. There's also the danger of electrical hazards, including short circuits or fires. Statistics show a 5% rise in laptop fire incidents from improper DIY modifications. Additionally, using incompatible batteries can cause overheating and significantly reduce battery lifespan. Instead of DIY, consider professional service from an official MSI service center. They provide expert replacement with proper tools and safety protocols, ensuring your laptop functions correctly. Costs typically range from $100 to $200 depending on the model and battery type, but this investment protects against hazards and maintains your warranty. Looking ahead, the trend in gaming laptops continues toward integrated, non-removable batteries to achieve slimmer profiles and better thermal management, driven by demands for portability in esports. As of 2025, 70% of high-end gaming laptops, including MSIs, feature glued or soldered batteries. However, sustainability concerns are pushing manufacturers like MSI toward more user-repairable designs, with emerging concepts like eco-swappable batteries using magnetic connectors to reduce disassembly risks. By 2030, expect a 15 to 20% increase in repairable components, potentially including solid-state batteries that could make traditional replacements obsolete. Before attempting any DIY battery replacement, thoroughly research your specific model, consult MSI support, and carefully weigh the risks against the benefits. When in doubt, always seek professional help to ensure safety and warranty protection.